my name is Carolyn. I'm the California Vineyard Vagabond who authored a book about California's other wine regions, Drink Your Words. And we're here in my kitchen in the beautiful Sierra foothills of California to understand why winemakers cook with their wine as an ingredient, not just. And today we're featuring Fleur de Lys Viognier, which is a white wine grape originally from the Rhone region of France. What we're making today was dedicated to us from the winemaker at Fleur de Lys from France, where she puts a little Viognier in her red pepper cheese dip that we're going to be making with this slightly fruity but very dry white wine with reminiscence of honeysuckle and a little bit of citrus or stone fruits like apricots. Okay, so we begin making the nacho pepper cheese melt by getting a slightly warm saucepan and melting butter in the saucepan with flour, which is a technical way that the French make what's known as a roux. A roux is the solid base for most cheesy, delicious sauces because it sort of keeps the cheese in a solid form and prevents it from coming apart, since it is made of oil and you don't want an oily mess. So the recipe says to continue to stir this equal parts flour and butter until in your pan it becomes slightly dark brown or light brown. Next, I'm going to slowly add the Viognier. And as I said, it's a dry white wine, but it's going to add that extra oomph because it does have slightly fruity flavors. It's very aromatic. This particular wine is known for its floral aromas that I'm getting a nose full of right now. But what this is doing is it's getting all the brown bits from the bottom of the pan and raising them up to a saucy, smooth, extra slightly acidic flavor. Ooh, this smells great. And the alcohol in the wine, which isn't all that high, is going to burn off in at least 8 to 10 minutes. The next ingredient we're going to add is the cheese. This is pepper jack, and we've just chopped it into equally sized little inch or half inch bits so that they melt evenly. And we can put these all in at once. But you can see the beautiful flecks of red pepper in the dip. Okay, so the cheese has almost melted, and now we need to remember one very important rule whenever cooking with wine is don't forget to put wine in the cook. Now we're ready for our final ingredient, a can of diced green chilies. Frankly, I can smell already how delicious it's going to be. So I don't need to warm this anymore. You can see from its consistency that it is a melty, delicious dip, and everything's incorporated perfectly, and it took, what, 7 minutes? So here I have some crostinis that I prepared beforehand just to show you how to serve this. You could be serving it on a platter like this, or the way we eat in a winemaker's kitchen, Hmm.